Take a deep breath, calling 100% of your energy home to your body. And as you exhale out, just letting any thoughts, any ideas, any old patterns, just letting it wash away. Anything ready to go, ready to be released to free up your own energy, your own clarity, your own well-being. And as you breathe in, it's almost like you're fanning the flame of your own energy, your own health, your own confidence, your own clarity, your own self-assuredness, the inner leader, your sovereignty, your deep, profound peace. And as you exhale out, letting go, rooting down. And I want you just to imagine that roots are going deep, deep, deep from your feet, the soles of your feet, your tailbone, down to the core of the earth. And they're going all the way down past soil, past rock, past crystal, past water, all the way down to the core, core, core of the earth, where all of the ancient trees from around the world, the oldest, wisest trees, their roots meet right at the center of the earth energetically, and they are welcoming your root, your energetic tap root. And they're singing hallelujah. Here she is. Yes, we've been waiting for you. Feeling this taproot connecting in and being resourced from this profound ancient wisdom, from these loving, nurturing elders, from this rhythm, this peace, this pace that is automatically recalibrating your whole body to perfect health, recalibrating your finances to abundance, infinite abundance like nature, infinite abundance, and recalibrating your mind to a state of presence, clarity, calm, insight. And as you breathe here, just letting your energetic body expand. It's almost like your energy is safe to expand, 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 expand. And allowing these roots, these tap roots to now fuel you by moving all the way up the tap root, up your legs, up your torso, up your Shushona, the chakra line, back of the neck, throat, all the way up to the third eye, crown, out your arms, and through your crown chakra, all the way up to your higher self. And as you breathe here, allowing this radiant golden light to pour in from overhead like liquid gold, pouring through your whole mind, your brain, your inner ears, behind the eyes, your throat chakra, jaw. It's clearing away stagnant energy and it's refueling your body, resetting your body to perfect health, to wholeness, vibrancy, peace, centeredness, all the way down through your heart. And it's clearing away any cobwebs, anything that's ready to go, the back of the heart, down through the arms, fingertips, all the way through all the organs, replenishing, regenerating every organ in your body, the lungs, the heart, the stomach, the spleen, the liver, the kidneys, every organ mentioned or not mentioned, going into the womb space, the creative center, and allowing in the womb space that which you are here to birth and create, that which is abundantly yours to create and will fulfill your wealth on all levels, including your energy levels and health, that beautiful soul work, the message, the creative expression that you're here to bring into the world, that it's coming through with total ease, peace, and confidence. Just letting your hips relax, your legs, letting that liquid gold go all the way down to the tailbone, coccyx bone, down through the legs, the knees, the ankles. It's washing away anything that's held you back in the past, letting it all go. And feeling this energy from below, grounding, rooted wisdom, and this energy from above, levity, this light, this beautiful, calming, expansive light. They're both meeting, the masculine and feminine, right at your heart space. And anywhere that it feels like there's an obstruction in any of the chakras, just letting that liquid gold sort of clear it away. And take a deep, deep breath in here. And as you exhale out, just notice which color and which chakra wants to get brighter. Let that color expand so that it moves through your whole body. And just trust whatever color arises for you. Feeling this color as a recalibration in your finances, in your joy, in your peace of mind, in your clarity of purpose, in your relationships, in your health. And letting that color now expand all the way around you and feeling this auric field surrounding you. So anyone else's energy is outside of this light. And anything from the outside that comes towards you, it's simply bouncing off of this reflective field, returning to sender, and allowing this full potential you to expand free of apology. You get to expand. You get to experience yourself in your full potential. You get to share your voice and your gifts effortlessly, confidently. And you get to feel the ease of receiving new clients, new people watching, connecting with you, asking for your support, paying you. You get to receive your own creative ideas that are pouring in and thanking those creative ideas, that muse that comes in to share those ideas with you. One more deep, deep breath in. And I would love for you to send this pink energy, pink loving energy to that little girl you once were. Send it all the way back in time from your heart space, from source to this little one that you once were, and asking her, what do you need, sweetheart, as I move forward with my visibility, with my purpose, with my mission? What do you need? What do you want to bring to this work? And also, what do you need? And just seeing what she says, seeing her magnificence, seeing her eyes, taking another deep breath here, releasing anything ready to go as you connect deeply with her and giving her a huge embrace, heart to heart. And I want you to really feel the joy in her, at the core of her, regardless of what may have shown up on the surface. Let her joy be revealed. Let what she truly wants be revealed. And like a bow and arrow, just seeing that arrow, that joy, like straight ahead in front of you. What is she aiming at when it comes to joy? And what is one action you can take that is you going after, like a huntress, that joy, choosing joy, going for it, choosing it, saying yes to it. Now bringing your energy home to your body, breathing, feeling yourself present here in the moment, feet on the earth, and letting that taproot connect back to your tailbone. So it's just releasing that all the way back up. And then closing the crown chakra, just letting that energy come in and sealing it. And taking a big breath here as you place one hand on the heart, one hand on the belly, and whispering to yourself, I love you. I love you so much. Letting yourself receive this love, almost as if it's God, it's source, it's loving intelligence saying this straight to you as the daughter of the divine, as a child of God, of source. And feel that love. Let it percolate through your whole system. Feel this love that's always here. And setting the intention that the path ahead you can feel this love with each step. It's easier and easier to feel how held, loved, and supported you are, and that it is your birthright to have fun as you create what you're here to create. Now, sending this beautiful light out to those you're here to touch, to our beautiful world, sending the signal out. I'm here, I'm available to serve those who are star clients, who are those star community members who really need what you are here to voice, share, offer. And just saying to Source, bring those to me who are ready to receive what I have to give and are happily wanting to pay for it and invest in themselves and say yes to themselves. And they're just so grateful for what I have to offer. It's safe for me to be financially rich. It's safe for me to give from the overflow. It's safe for me to be at peace and shine this peace into the world like a lighthouse. And finally, my voice is valuable. My message is medicine. This is my time to shine. And very gently, whenever you're ready, taking a deep breath in and opening your eyes and staying with yourself and enjoying this energy that is you. This is you. This is who you are. It's just so amazing that this is what we are. And I will finish with this. Shankaracharya, what he says is the joy is in you. And here's how he proves it. If you're like, oh, I really want a piece of pie. So you go to eat that piece of pie and it's so good. And you suddenly feel all this joy. It's like, oh, the joy must be in the pie, right? Of course. So you have another piece and you're like, oh my God, this is so good. And you feel all this joy, so yummy. Then you have a third piece and you're like, should I have a fourth, like a fourth piece? And suddenly, fifth piece, and like you feel horrible, horrible. It wasn't the pie that brought the joy. The pie was simply the occasion that brought the joy out from inside. Eating more pie isn't going to give more joy. It's just remembering, oh my God, the joy is inside me. This magnificence is in me. This beauty, this magic is in me. So may you remember this, feel this, and whatever you need to feel tapped in, give this to yourself and enjoy your beautiful work. And I love it. Anna saying, making my sales page is where my arrow wants to go. Perfect example of bringing the joy to the work. Bring the joy to the work. Like we get to work with amazing clients. What? We get to share our messages with beautiful souls. What? That we get to inspire. We get to create sales pages or do enrollment calls that help us grow and learn and serve and expand. Like we get to play by creating a business that sets you free, that creates a lifestyle you love and serves as a model for what's possible. What? We get to do this? Yes, we get to do this. So I send you all so much love. You are so welcome. So, so welcome. I think our next workshop is embodying heaven on earth. I could be wrong. It might be the authenticity circle, but we have a good month ahead.